Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this curly wig from Wignee. This is their 4x4 Peruvian water wave lace wig, and this is the box that it came in, and I love the packaging. It came with like a silk interior. It also came with like lashes, a brush, and a hair roller and stuff like that. So now this is the wig, and like I said, it is a closure 4x4. And at first I was a little concerned because the ends did look thin when I first took it out the package, but after I wet it and stuff, the hair actually expanded and it looked really nice and full. Now I'm going to take some makeup. This is a powder that matches my skin tone, and I'm just going to rub it across the lace to help it blend better. Now I'm not the type of person to bleach knots and do a whole lot of plucking at all because I just don't have the patience. But this wig is a little dense in the front, so I'm going to just pluck it a little bit, and then I'm going to cut it and create some baby hairs so that it can like cover up the front of the lace. Whenever I cut lace on a wig that's kind of dense in the front, I make sure that I leave a little extra lace on there because you don't want the wig to look too weird when you are putting it on. So I make sure to leave a little extra lace on there and not cut too much. So now what I'm doing is spraying the hair and then taking this foaming wrap and putting it on the hair. And this is pretty much all you need to do to the curls to get them to bounce. I'm using a dimming brush right now, but you don't even need a dimming brush because dimming brush didn't do anything to the curls. So all you need to do is spray it with water and put some foaming wrap on and pretty much leave it. And that completes this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. All the information on this wig will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.